Think manufacturing is all greasy overalls and assembly lines? Think again. This isn't your grandparents' old factory job. This is a futuristic workplace where robots do the heavy lifting. 3D printers build almost anything, and humans, like you, get to engineer the future. It's like stepping into a sci fi movie, but without the weird aliens. Just awesome tech and endless career possibilities. Welcome to Talking Jobs. I'm Mary Williams, your guide through the world of work. In Talking Jobs, we explore careers that are not just cool, but also shaping the future. Today, we're kicking off a special three-part series all about advanced manufacturing. In this first video, we'll dive into what advanced manufacturing is and why it's the ultimate mashup of technology and creativity. So let's get started. So, what exactly is advanced manufacturing? Think of it as the ultimate tech mashup. It's how we're taking the coolest gadgets and science fiction level ideas to make products faster, smarter, and cooler. Say goodbye to the dull, greasy factories of the past. This is where cutting-edge technology and big ideas come to life. Did you know that advanced manufacturing employs over 11 million people in the US? That's more than the populations of New York City and the city of Chicago combined. And it's not just about the numbers. It's one of the fastest growing sectors, offering opportunities in robotics, artificial intelligence, and innovating environmentally friendly practices. 11 million people? That's a lot of name tags. I hope they have advanced manufacturing for that too. Yes, that is a lot of name tags. But beyond the numbers, there's something even more exciting happening here. Studies by Deloitte show that using robotics and AI can cut production times by nearly 30%, while reducing waste by up to 40%. And behind all that tech, we still need skilled workers to innovate, problem solve, and keep things running smoothly. It's not just a career, it's a way to shape the future. Sounds awesome, right? That's because it is. Okay, let's talk about the glow up of manufacturing. Traditional manufacturing, think old school assembly lines, where workers perform the same repetitive task over and over, leading to wasted material and slower production speeds. Advanced manufacturing? Total game changer. It's all about working smarter, not harder. For example, in the past, factories might produce more than 20% waste material during production. Think of all the extra plastic left over after molding a product, or the metal scraps from cutting out parts. That waste adds up fast. Today, advanced manufacturing can reduce that to less than 5% thanks to precision technology. Back in the day, everything was drawn by hand and mistakes were costly, not just in time, but in wasted materials too. Now, with 3D design software and digital simulations, we can test and perfect ideas before production even starts, making the process far more efficient. And here's an important point. Just because robots are taking over the boring, repetitive tasks doesn't mean jobs are disappearing. They're evolving. We need tech-savvy people to program, operate, and maintain these robots. Plus, advanced manufacturing opens up new career paths in design, engineering, and even AI development. Here's why advanced manufacturing is such a big deal. It's changing the game in industries like aerospace, healthcare, and renewable energy. Think building planes with laser accuracy, printing medical implants that save lives, and creating green tech to protect the planet. And the best part, this isn't just about tech, it's about you. If you're into problem solving, tech, or just making cool stuff, this field has a spot for you. Advanced manufacturing isn't just about making things, it's about shaping the future. If you got the curiosity and the drive, this could be your next big adventure. And speaking of adventures, this is just the beginning of our dive into the world of advanced manufacturing. In the next video, we'll explore how you can get started, from training programs to certifications that will set you up for success in the field. See you next time.